Morning folks, and welcome back to the channel. Something a little bit different this week. Our daughter and son-in-law have bought themselves a camper van, and we have come down to All Seasons Leisure in Birtley to collect it with them. And whilst we're here, we'll have a look around at some of the other van conversions, primarily Volkswagens, that they've got here. So we're going to head out and have a look around, and we'll take you with us and show you what they've got. Right, let's have a quick look round.
This is their yard. As you can see, it's mainly Volkswagen. They convert. Some here waiting to be converted. Others that have already been done. Second-hand ones. Brand new one there. And this one is the one that they've bought, and that looks absolutely stunning.
So that's what the toolbox I'm on about getting a little. Aye.
And they're getting the awning with it as well. A Vango Versus Air Low.
And then this is just, that's going to be quite low and floor, isn't it? Yeah. That's why you're more. Yeah. You're not risking stuff on the seat.
I mean, these are some of the conversions that they do, and they look absolutely fantastic. They really do. And this is leather in here. I must admit, I do like this one, the two-tone, with the red and the white, up at nearly 80 grand. Plenty of space in there with that popped up. Twin swivel seat at the front there, 3 seats across the back, and it's all on rails, so the whole thing slides forward to give you room in the back as well. Very, very nice.
Yeah, that looked up with the seat.
Yeah, and Teddy's having a look around as well.
Is that?
Yeah?
I don't know why I could be.
Uh-oh, do you need help?
Yes.
Just leave it up, sweetheart. Right. Oh. Let's go this way.
Okay.
There's a grey one. Oh, I like the colours in here.
Look, there's a roof open.
Yes. Yeah.
Got seats like that in yours?
Yeah.
You want to know where it came from? St Austell.
St Austell?
He's driving up from St Austell and driving a brand new one away.
Snozzle. Hello, Ollie Bubs.
What was that?
Just a lid for a second.
It was just me.
Yeah, I know it's just you. yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Sit in the chairs and have a look. Don't touch, please.
Yeah,
That was
maybe
£60
not
for a brand new one.
Yeah,
But he says it's not, it's like, I didn't realise when they're like 92 grand and that, he was saying, he says it's like manual, like top spec van, and it's got like hot water and this and that and everything else.
I mean, that is pretty reasonably priced. It's on a 24 plate and it's 60.
Yeah, but that hasn't done that hot water and all that and stuff, and it's a manual and that way, like the likes of this one's an automatic and all this. That's the difference.
Yeah. This one's got 2 tables.
Yeah.
Yeah.
1, 2.
Yeah.
Let it go.
Do you just want to go with every single one, Teddy?
Yes.
We haven't been in that.
I think this guy's gonna do a table.
Has a table fallen down?
Yeah.
Well, that's not very good, is it?
No.
No.
I'm gonna put it.
No, just leave it.
You want to go in? You want to have a look in yours?
Yeah, let's go and have a look at yours.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on, let's have a look at yours.
Yeah.
Oh, hello.
That's why look at ours. That's why he hasn't been in, because the door's not open.
No, you're not climbing through. Go over there.
So which one's Teddy's seat?
Whoops.
This can turn into a bed.
Yeah, that turns into your bed.
Is that ours?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Nobody today.
Yeah, we are getting it today. That's what we came here for.
I'll give you a bell, probably middle of the week.
Now don't scratch it as you drive it out.
Oh, shut up. I've driven bigger things than this.
Well, that was a cracking trip down to All Seasons Leisure down at Burtley, and the van is now parked up outside their house. Yep, so that's the van all parked up, and we're going to head off home and get some stuff done for ourselves, so we will pick you guys up on the next one. Bye.